So it is April 22nd, Thursday. I'm going to do my recap. I had a terrible day yesterday, but today I made it back a little bit. I had a good day. I mean, honestly, 1,800 bucks, basically 1,775 bucks. I cannot complain too much. It was good. Did exit a little bit early in a couple of positions, but yeah, it was okay. It's a little bit late. It's 11:05 p.m. I didn't have time to do my recap. I was, doing other stuff, busy. So we're gonna do it now, and yeah, I mean, I feel a little bit like sleeping, especially after a couple of drinks. But we're gonna do it, and we're gonna see what's up. And I want to take a look at my trades because I didn't have time to do it today. So, first trade of the day was Riot. Okay, so it was a bad trade. It was a bad trade, and I don't know why I really took it, but it put me down. It put me down. So I was looking for. I don't know why I was identifying a little bit of a weakness on the level two. And let me see. Let's put the time in here. Let's put the time. Okay, let's do it like this. I'm gonna have to make this a little bit smaller. Okay, that's it. Yep. Okay. Sorry about that. Yes. So, I don't know why I was seeing a little bit of a weakness on the level two, so I wanted to go short for a daily open breakdown, but it really didn't make sense. I mean, I got in 4140. So I got in at 4080 and I got out at 4140. So that's like 600 bucks in that trade. Not good, man. Just not good. 4080 because I saw this candle 931. So I saw this candle. I mean, I saw a little bit of a rejection here, and I really wanted to see this candle come all the way down and break the daily open, but it just wasn't a good idea. I should have waited for the daily open to actually break and not get in so soon. I pretty much got at the low of this candle. 4080, and yeah, the 90 MA was here. VWAP, yeah, it's not a pretty trade to be honest. And yeah, I got stopped out. I changed my stop loss from 4080. I changed it to from 4130. I changed it to 41 from 30 to 4140, and yeah, I got stopped out above the previous day close, which was my actual stop loss. So not a good way to start. Then I traded NKLA and not happy either. See, this is the stuff that I was looking for. Here's the daily open breakdown. Here's the failure that I was really looking for. So I went in 1,000 shares. I wanted to go bigger. I really wanted to go 4,000 shares, but the problem is that I already had lost in Riot, and my stop for the day is 750 bucks. So I got in, and then even worse than that, I got out really soon. So I got in at 1091, which is a really good price. What time is that? 9:32. So right over here before the breakdown really happened, and I got out at 9:1077. So not good. My target should have been R3, and that is something that I've been working on. Is that I really thought yesterday and a couple of days before is to really let my profits run and take Camarilla pivot points. Each of the levels as a profit target. And again, because of the same reason that I was down, I exited really soon, and I left a lot of profit on the table. But yes, things starting to change because I went short plug. Yeah, I went short plug like right around here, I guess, right? So I went plug one. I went plug. I'm short 2,000 shares. So I went short plug 2830, which is a really really good entry at 934. So actually in this candle over here. So why did I go short? Is because there was a lot of resistance as you can see here in the pre-market high. And then what I really liked is I saw this shooting star on high volume too, if you really pay attention on high volume, right above the pre-market high. So it was a really, really good setup. And then, you see a little bit of this breakdown. It breaks the daily open, and then you see this candle. But again, level two didn't seem too strong. So I went short 2830, 1,000 shares. So right over here. And then I added at 2794 another 1,000 shares. 937. So right over here after the breakdown happened, I was seeing this consolidation. I was seeing that it was it was below the 90 MA. I saw that it was below the 90 MA on the 5-minute chart. So I really wanted to take that trade, and it really paid out well. I exited. I really let this one run. I let this one run. I'm very happy of how I executed it. I covered at 2067. Did I cover 2067? Okay, so maybe not the best exit. My exit should have been at the 40s. So I exited here. Yeah, my exit should have been at the 40s. Not the best exit then. A little bit upset then. Not too good. 2067. Yeah, that's not a good exit. I left like $400 on the table right there. Well, I thought I did better actually. Or whatever. So that was my trade. My target was LR1 would have been the first initial target. I think I went short again, plug. Yeah, I did. So I went short 1,000 shares only. I went short at 2802. So right over here for the 5 minute 9 EMA touch. So right over here, it came here, had a pretty much a bearish engulfing candle, came up, retested the 9 EMA and the daily open. So I decided to go short again. And this time my exit was a little bit better. I did let it go all the way almost down here. So I let it go all the way to 2742. So, I guess R1. I should have let it go all the way. Okay, partial at 2729. So right around here and then around here too. 950. Actually, yeah, around here. So yeah, that was a good trade, man. That really put me well. The other trade that I took that was really good was MARA. I went short 1,000 shares MARA at 34.41. So right for the daily open break. So I could have gotten in a little bit early, got a little bit late entry, but it was good because I really took. I let this thing run all the way to L3. I took it at 74. I put my partial a little bit before it hit 67 or 64, and yeah, that was a good trade, man. That was a good trade. I let it get all the way down, So obviously, how all this down move later on, but at least it reached my target for that moment. So yeah, it was awesome. That trade was good. I really am happy, So what am I looking for? I mean, okay, so what did I make today? Okay, I lost that $600 in Riot, and then plug 1,500, and NKLA not much, and MARA 670. Yeah. So okay, still long way to recover. Man, I lost almost 7 G's yesterday, bro, which is fucking insane, dude. Fucking crazy. Insane. But hey, looking at the bigger picture, looking at everything, that's 48,000. So far more 49,000. So that's still more than 8K a month, which is okay. I have to keep doing this, and I'm gonna do better and rebuild myself again. So slowly but surely, my drawdown is still considerable. I have a drawdown of fucking, I don't know how much. It's $7,000, $8,500. Fuck, $8,500 is my draw. I cannot believe this. It's gonna take a while, man. It's gonna take a month to rebuild this, maybe, or maybe not. Maybe it takes 4 days, 4 or 5 more days like this. You never know. Well, what? Damn, dude, how did I put myself in this position? God damn it. Well, it's a lesson that I have to learn. It's a lesson that I have to learn, and what am I gonna do to avoid it? Is really not lose more than $850. Sorry, $750 in a day. That's my max stop loss. After that, I just walk away no matter what. I haven't done it before, but I've really come to the conclusion that it is what I have to do to be successful in this business. I just have to learn how to walk away. Today I was close. I had a $600 loss, so I was definitely close. But that there's just no other choice for me, man. There's just no other choice. It really isn't, and it's a shame because, I mean, look at this week, man. I mean, if I have a green day tomorrow, look, if I wouldn't have had this day, it's insane. This week would already been 1,000 plus 1,700 plus 1,400. Damn. You see, it would be I think I did it twice, right? Yeah, 17. It's actually 12 plus 14 plus 1. Yeah, 32. So I'll be having a $3,200. No, that's more. $4,200. 18 plus 14 plus, of course, plus 10. It would be plus 10. Whatever. It would be plus 10. It would be $4,200, which is a good week. Instead, I just threw it out all yesterday, and now I'm gonna have Now I'm having a red week again, you know. So yeah, it goes to show, man, how important it is to just walk away when you're having a, how important it is to just walk away when I'm not even a 60% winning rate, you know. It's so important to just walk away with a certain amount of money. But it's a lesson that I have to learn, and I'm learning it, and that's it. We're gonna move forward. I'm gonna make the money back. I'm still in a good spot. I'm gonna use back practices. I'm gonna let my trades run more, and that's it. That's the goal. That is the goal. Stop losses tight, and yeah, I have my strategies. They work, and that's it. That's really it. So yeah, that's my recap for today. Have a good night.